Thanks for joining us, guys. Welcome back. We've been out on the boat for a few hours chasing threadfin salmon again. It was a bit slow, to be honest, but we did get a few fish to the boat. A bit of a variety of fish too, which was cool. So I'll play these clips. I didn't get too many of the hookups on camera, I don't think. Anyway, I hope you enjoy them, and we'll see you back in the kitchen for a cook up. I felt him hit it and he...
What is it?
I'm not sure.
It's a Thready.
Valley. That's getting in the right in my
Like a Thready?
It's a Thready, little one.
Dad, that's getting right in my head when it just like pops.
Oh no, that's a good one. So it's an esky one.
Oh my.
He's only just caught. Yeah.
That's the boat.
Scarier.
Jeez,
That vibe's so
It's a
good.
baby one.
Good.
It's
Not ready. No.
Dad, almost
Guide him in.
Almost checking.
Oh no.
Almost checking the boat.
Sorry, chick. I don't know if he is even legal as a
No,
little boy.
yes.
That's a boy.
I think it is a boy. I'll see the old
He's a little boy.
You gotta see
Not really sure about this fella.
the old.
Dick.
The old new lure.
Yeah. Those dank teeth though.
I got it. Dick. Look at his eyes, it's so funny.
The big fella. He's not legal. 57.
He's only 57.
Alright, Niels, we'll get him back, eh? We'll get him back.
He
It's like wagging. That just smell like a fish.
Oh,
he's gone.
yep. How was that, Niels?
That scared me.
It scared me? Scared me too.
I've never seen such a lucky fisherman. You always get slack line, they always stay on. Hold up, Niels, we've got a fish on.
I always try and press the camera.
Yeah. Another Thready.
He took that like an absolute weapon.
Someone had brought.
Ah, I don't think it is. Oh, it might be, but he's not big.
What's that?
I think he is, but it's the same one. Jeez, he went. He's still going too.
He might be jagged or something.
Maybe.
He's probably like the same one we just had.
He might be. I have to check the old squid lure out.
Probably
get
like
one of
the
the
same
squid.
one we just had, Dad.
Is it?
Yeah, it's another little
Oh,
one.
it's a little one.
Look out, Niels. Chuck the
I
rubbish
think
out.
it's dragging his head.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it is.
right. That's why he went.
There's no bin. There's no bin in it.
He's smaller.
It's probably like the same one.
Oh no.
Right.
Sort of hooked in near his eye.
Oh no.
What? What?
The parasites on him. Here's.
It's the same fish.
He's slightly bigger. Straight them up.
I was told you
Yeah,
it was the
thick as
same
well.
fish.
61.
I told you it would be the same fish. I'll tell you that. I don't want to pat that one, so
Pat him.
no.
Oh, you don't want him?
It's a cool looking fish, eh?
I just want to watch him go.
You wanna watch him go? I'll watch him go. Jesus.
It's definitely a big spot.
There he goes. We have a fish on.
That is the biggest fish you had in catch.
I don't know what this is though.
Oh. Sorry.
I'm going to take Blanky away.
Yep, you good? Jump down the back there now.
Oh my.
Holy shit.
It's ready. I'm going to drop this camera.
This is him, Josh. Yes, awesome job. Awesome job. On the squiddy. This is sick. I get a wicked photo of that.
How'd you go,
Oh,
Nels?
Mills, you filmed it! You! Look at camera girl. Yes, camera girl. You're so good at camera girl.
That's legal, that one.
That's definitely what I lost before too.
Yeah.
Good eating size, Mills. He's 72.
What's on your finger?
Yep, right there. Oh, I lost him.
No. Yeah,
Oh,
he's on.
He's swimming at me. Right at the boat, almost. Oh,
Yeah, they're right at the boat, eh?
thought I lost him. Swimming at me.
He was swimming at him. What size is it? What size is it, Mills?
Head shakes.
It's ready, but what size?
Ooh, feels weird.
Feels like it's a Thready, you can tell by this.
No, it's a trevally.
It's a nice little trevally. It's a nice big eye. Nice big eye trevally.
Oh, that's massive.
That's a lot bigger than the one I caught the other day.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, not a lot bigger, but bigger. That's sick.
Let's go.
It's probably your first one of them.
Probably.
Look how he's killing your rod. You record it.
Little rainbow tiger does the job. Cool. My first big eye trevally.
And his eye is big.
Cool.
It's pretty cool.
I'll release him.
Give him a big release.
And he's at a go. He
He's-
just wants to go.
He's not healthy. He's not healthy, the big fella. Must have got the hook right in the shit spot.
And he wants to go.
Oh, there he goes. He's off. He's fine. Oh, don't get a snake.
Oh, it's a Thready, 100%. Look at his tail.
Look at it. Yeah. Then look out there. Yeah, see, he's right here. He's only 8 metres out. We did something. Oh yeah.
Oh, yes. Saw him on the sounder. This could be him. Jeez, he's going. I'm going to get me right out of the way.
This is either
That big Thready on the
foul
sounder.
hook or it's a really nice thread. You never seen a run like that?
No.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Holy
shit.
That is a big lizard.
Oh my god. It's gonna go again. I can't even move it. I can't even move it.
We found the bloody croc.
Like a shit. We found the croc alright.
Oh,
This thing's huge.
I definitely don't want.
oh my
Oh
goodness.
my god.
I definitely never will catch that.
Holy. Oh, everything eats a squid. That is huge. We gotta get a photo and get it back. That
How
thing
was
is-
the run?
How was the run? I thought it was a Thready.
Oh,
Everything eats a squid apparently. 79. 79.
where did my lure go?
Wow, what an absolute horse.
Yeah.
My fishing.
Look at the big girl.
Chico, we just got to get the pliers.
That's sick. You see that thing go?
Oh, I thought it was going to do me in the rock. Dude, come on, watch him, I'll watch him go back.
I think that's where the egg.
This thing's a horse.
That's actually a real live egg. babies like
I thought it was a wobbegong when it came up.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's brown.
Oh, yeah.
this, like Dad. Remember? Like
Holy dooly.
That's sweet.
Yep, Squidward.
So I had a few questions asking if you can eat threadfin salmon, so we thought we'd do a little bit of a cook up today. First, today we're doing something really basic. Breadcrumbs. Personally, I think it's the best way to eat fish. Now, the flesh is a lot different than I was expecting. It's quite firm and it's really white. It's a really nice flesh. And when you cook it up, it's even better. It just goes really soft and just falls apart. It's fantastic. Right, so what we need is obviously the fish, garlic powder, some lemon and herb and garlic spice blend, chili flakes, some salt, pepper, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, some milk and some oil for the pan. First thing is we need a bowl. Crack your egg in, a little bit of milk, mix that up. Get yourself another bowl. Probably about a cup of breadcrumbs. About that much. Garlic powder. About a teaspoon. Lemon and herb. Teaspoon. Chili flakes. Kind of depends on how much of a hit you want to have. We quite like it, so we're going to load it up. Salt. Cracked pepper. You can also add onion powder if you have it. We don't have it, so we're not going to use it. Mix that up. So we've got our fish, we can go into the egg, into the breadcrumbs, into the pan. Simple, easy. Right. Fish in. Into your egg mix, egg wash I think it's called. And into your breadcrumb mix. Use your opposite dry hand so it doesn't get all gluggy. Wet hand, dry hand. Look at that. Yummo. So now, repeat with the rest of the fish. Right, they're all done. And they're ready to go in the oil. We've got some chips in the air fryer. Because like we said, we're doing it real basic. Fish and chips. Anyway, oil. Oil kind of depends on how big your pan is. About that much. Half a centimetre. Then you just want to go probably about a medium heat. You don't want to burn the breadcrumbs. Once that's heated up, fish in. It's just about hot enough. Lay it away from you so the oil doesn't splash on you. And we're not going to have enough room. You don't really want to overcrowd the pan, but we're hungry. You want it done. Well, I wish you guys could smell that. Oh yeah. So it's been about 3.5 minutes already, and we're going to flip it. It's already starting to fall apart. These bigger bits will take a bit longer to cook than this small one here, so we'll flip that one over. Falling apart. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, how good does it smell? Right, so that was about 3.5 minutes either side for these bigger fillets. The smaller ones we've already taken off, but this is ready to go still. Turn that off. It's falling apart. Oh wow, look at that. Soft and white. Get a nice close up of it. Look at that. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Oh, that's so good. That's just, it's fantastic. That's some of the best fish you can eat, I reckon. Yummy. Well, there it is, guys. Breadcrumbed threadfin salmon and sweet potato chips. Super easy and super tasty. So if you're wondering if you can eat threadfin salmon, yes you can. It is fantastic. I can't wait to eat this. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Is that it?
That's it.
We're out of it. We're gonna go and eat our dinner. Can't wait. Let's go. See you guys.